Hey guys, it's Sherry. Today we are going to do a super fast pair of wood earrings. So I have my wood blanks and my chrome marker. And all I'm going to do is go right over them. I'm going to make sure that I have all my little areas just covered in this chrome marker. I'm going to leave the sides, this black color, because I think it looks really nice, but I am going to slightly edge the inside. So when I say slightly edge, I'm just taking the slight edge of my chrome marker and going right to the inside of it. And I'm going to do the same thing on the outside edging. And this way it'll just give it a nice clean look. So you can see right there. So right here as well, you can see that all I'm going to do is just take this tip and just edge the very side. And that'll give it a nice, clean, crisp look. So see how much better that looks than just having it plain like that? There we go. So I'm going to do the fronts and backs of these. Okay, so now my pieces are completely etched out with the chrome marker. The next thing you want to do is grab whatever charms you want to use. I'm going to use my little snowflakes. They're double-sided, and which is perfect because my earrings will be double-sided as well. And then make sure you're getting a jump ring that is large enough to fit around the entire piece here. And that will hang onto your little snowflake as well. So I want to see if I can get this to work with just one jump ring. So I'm going to open up my jump ring. I'm going to add it to the bottom here. Get it underneath. Attach your snowflake or whatever you decide to use. And then we're going to close that. Make sure they're closed all the way. Look how pretty that looks. And you could get something that's longer. You could add a couple different jump rings and do it that way. I think I might add a couple jump rings. I would like it down a little bit more. So that's what I'm going to do. Let me reopen this. Just close that all the way. I want to make sure that no matter what, my jump ring is closed all the way so nothing slips off of it. I'm going to add one more jump ring. Connect my snowflake. And then connect it to the small jump ring down here. And there. I like that one much better. Look how pretty that looks. So simple. And then all you're going to do is add another jump ring on the very top. This one doesn't have to be as big. Close that up. Make sure it's closed all the way. And then we're going to get then we're going to grab our findings. We're going to open that up. I like to take mine and turn them so I don't have to add more than one jump ring. I'll connect it. to the top jump ring. And then I will reclose it. And then we have our earring. Simple and easy and beautiful. So find yourself a open wood blank. I'll leave a link where I got mine, and then you could create so many easy wood earrings. I love these. I think these are so easy and simple, and they will make a beautiful gift for somebody. All right, there we go. We got 2 earrings. We got a pair of earrings that took no time at all, and they look beautiful. I really hope that you enjoyed creating these with me and learn how to do a quick, simple pair of wood earrings. See you next time, guys. Bye.